Alright y'all, thank you for coming to this video. Visionary movement here. Today we're going to be learning the wall backflip. Prerequisite, backflip. Base block, mental barrier. You already beat your first one on the backflip. This one should be easier. It's still difficult though, so be prepared for that. Let's get into it. There's a storm behind me, so we gotta start going fast. Alright, think about it this way. You're running into the wall. However much speed you put at running towards the wall is however much height you're gonna get out of it, however much power you're gonna put into it. Think about that. If you go slow and you run up the tree or the wall, you're gonna fall. When you hit to go jump off of, you're not gonna get that much air or distance. Now, if you throw more speed at it, you're gonna run up, you're gonna be able to pop off and fly a little longer. Great, I got fire ants on me. Alright, so first person. It's not all that. I'm gonna move over here real quick. Alright, so approach this tree like you're about to kick the hell out of it and do exactly that. Now there's a little difference. You're gonna pop off the wall. Let me show you real quick. Alright, so you got your perfect little wall, you got your perfect little tree. You're gonna run up, you want to plant your foot wherever you're gonna pop off. Now naturally, with wall back flips, I plant my foot a little higher. I plant my foot about here, so you can see off the ground, that's a decent ways up. Now, I'm running with a significant amount of speed. So as I'm jumping, I'm putting more force into the object. And in turn, that's gonna let me push off higher. I see most people, when they're jumping off the object, they're gonna jump outwards. And it's gonna lose all of their height and they're most likely gonna fall and get hurt. I see some people go really high up. Now jumping off of it vertically is fine. It is very dangerous because you could clip your toes. Like if you have nice toed shoes at the end, nice lips at the end, you might get caught on something or you might hit the wall and that's gonna, mess you up a bit. So be cautious of that. But mainly, I think about like a 45-degree angle from the object, like about there, and I fly up straight up and diagonal. That's gonna send me the highest I can with a nice distance too. Now I'm gonna show you a few examples of it and just watch it closely. You'll see my toes grip. So I land about like that, right on the balls of my foot and my toes, and I spring off, up, and diagonal out. And from there, it's easy to practice that, but it's hard to get a feel to flip off of it. You really just have to send it there too. Up, out, send that flip. Now the momentum you're gonna get and the height you're gonna get is definitely gonna help send that flip a lot easier. Let me show you. Now you can lay out, you can tuck out of this. It's easy either way. Layouts are more of a gradual one, so you'll land smoother. Tucks, a little risky because you might over rotate. It's a lot easier when you have that height. So be careful about that, but you guys should have this. It's a very simple trick. All matters off of where your foot's at as you're launching off. Throw those arms back. Normal back flip, just on a wall. Send that speed. Speed is the key. Power is the key. Too little, you're gonna mess up. Too much, you're gonna over rotate, but you're still getting the trick. That's what matters to fine tuning in the end. So let me know if you guys got this. Let us know how you like these tutorials, because I'm liking recording these. Feedback, we'll give it. Message us, comments, Instagram DMs, anything. We'll get back to you guys. Need help, anything like that, message us. We love hearing from you guys. And yeah, that's it. Tune into our lives, TikTok, Twitch, every session we have. Yeah, check out our other content. We're up to about 40K now on TikTok, which I love you guys for. That's it for this one. I want to see you guys doing it. Visionary movement. Peace out.